Hello, Denver homeowners. Are you looking to boost your property value? Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to enhance your living space, we've got 5 home improvement tips that can offer a great return on investment. First, the kitchen. Often considered the heart of the home, a modern and functional kitchen can significantly boost your property's value. With Denver's thriving food scene, potential buyers will value a kitchen where they can unleash their culinary creativity. Next, the bathroom. A clean, updated bathroom can be a game changer. Consider installing fixtures, tiles, or even adding an extra bathroom if the space allows it. Tip 3, energy efficient additions. With a growing focus on sustainability, energy efficient home improvements like solar panels or insulated windows are increasingly appealing to buyers. Next up, landscaping. Never underestimate the power of curb appeal. A well-maintained outdoor space can significantly increase property attractiveness and value. Our final tip is basement finishing. In Denver's real estate market, extra living space is a big plus. Finishing your basement can provide extra space, be it home office or workout space or an entertainment area. In conclusion, the key to increasing your Denver home's value lies in strategically chosen home improvements. By focusing on renovations that appeal to a broad range of potential buyers, you can ensure a high return on investment while creating a space you love to live in. Remember, it's not just about making changes, it's about making the right changes. For more improvement tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Happy renovating!